Morning guys, if your steering wheel is looking worse for wear like mine is, you can use a stitch-on steering wheel cover to replace it and fix it really cheaply, quickly. I'm going to show you how to stitch this on in about 5 minutes, guys. Let's do it. The first thing you want to do is make sure this stitch is lined up at the bottom of your wheel, otherwise it's going to look terribly ugly. And then we're going to put this cover on. It can be a bit tight, so you want to squeeze it on. This is how the steering wheel cover looks now it's on, and it's actually pretty simple from here. We're going to grab our needle and thread, and we're going to start her off about here, or maybe at the center here, join it together and start stitching all the way around. I'm going to show you the stitch that we're going to use today. I've never ever stitched before, so we'll see how this goes, but it can't be that hard. I've also thrown a knot at the end of the line, so when we do this first piercing, or this first thread, we're going to come through from inside to out, and then pull all the way down to these knots here, and that's going to hold it. And then we're going to start our stitch and go all the way along. So that first stitch is now pulling through from the inside to the out, and as I pull it to the end, you'll see that little knot inside there is holding it in place. And now we're going to go through these loops and tie it together. Let me do a few stitches and show you. The stitching pattern we're doing is really easy. So what we're doing is coming through here, underneath, pulling this all the way through, and then coming back up through this next eye one and pulling it to over here. Now, once you've come up to the edge of these handles, what you want to do is stitch as high as you can so it pulls in nice and tight, and then we're going to thread this through here like this, and just come back through and weave it in and out, and then continue along there. Let me show you that now. So you can see I've just threaded it through and through around here, and now I'm going to pick up the same stitch here and go to the other side like we've done over here. Once you get the hang of the stitch, it actually goes pretty fast and looks pretty nice. Check it out. So I've done almost a quarter of the wheel in probably 20 minutes, so maybe another hour to go, but it's looking pretty good. I'll show you the finished product, guys, when I'm done. I've now finished the entire steering wheel. You can see it looks pretty schmick, I reckon, and all we're going to do is tie this off, and I'll show you how just in 1 second. What I've done here is stitch back over yourself, so just over the edge you can see how it's stitched back along and then back over itself. The idea is that's going to keep this end really nice, and then we're going to tie off with some half hitches and a bit of a knot through here. And just like that, we're done. That looks a million times better and genuinely feels bloody amazing. That bloody old scuffed up, you can still see a few chunks are missing from the original wheel, but this makes a massive difference for comfort and looks a million times better. Can't wait to take it for a drive. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, check out some other ones on the channel. I'll have some links around the screen now. Bye bye.